In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion and Jira with a simple step-by-step tutorial. Whether you're working on managing tasks or bridging your team's workflow between these two platforms, this integration can be incredibly powerful. Let's get started by diving right in. First, open up Notion and navigate to the specific page where you want to import your Jira data. Finding the right page will provide a straightforward context and structure for better organization. Once you're in, you'll want to activate the command interface by typing the slash command, simply by hitting the / key on your keyboard. This opens up a list of various functions. Type in the word Jira, and you'll see the option for Jira synced databases. Select that option to proceed. At this point, a pop-up window will appear, which is a pivotal part of the integration process. Here, you'll be prompted to select the Jira URL you'd like to link. This is an important decision because it determines which site's data you'll be importing to Notion. Be sure you're linking the correct URL, especially if you're working with multiple Jira sites. After you've chosen your desired Jira URL, you'll notice that the option to accept will become available. Click on the accept button to validate and connect your Jira account with Notion. What happens here is that Notion is initiating a secure handshake with Jira, so it can pull the necessary data from your chosen projects seamlessly. Once you're successfully connected, you'll see a list of your Jira projects being presented to you. This view is a real-time reflection of your active projects within Jira, and it's crucial to pick the correct projects to sync with Notion for maintaining efficient tracking and updates. Take a moment to go through this list carefully. After reviewing your options, select the specific project or projects you want to sync. This way you ensure that all tasks and updates related to the project are reflected in both Notion and Jira, allowing for efficient monitoring and management. This integration not only helps streamline task management, but also saves you the trouble of jumping back and forth between platforms. And there you have it. That's how you integrate Notion and Jira, allowing for a seamless flow of data between the two tools. This can greatly enhance your productivity by consolidating task management and project oversight into one easily navigable space. Remember, the key to maximizing this integration is ensuring you're linking the correct pages and projects so everything stays in perfect sync. Thanks for joining today, and happy organizing.